In fact, both the sides are both the pairs are parallel. So this condition of one pair of opposite sides is parallel is satisfied in the rectangle, right? That's why every rectangle is a trapezium. That's true. But reverse is not true. A quadrilateral can be drawn if all the four sides and one angle is known. That is also true. Quite simple. First draw the two known sides, then the angle between them which is known. Okay. Then now we require only third and fourth side. Take a compass, make the arc of that much angles and draw them. See, take the respective lengths on the arc and draw them, cut them, and the point which cuts intersects is the third and fourth side. Okay. See this way, the arc is cut over here and then join the 2 points. So you get the quadrilateral. Quite simple. Next, a triangle is a polygon whose sum of exterior angles is double the sum of the interior angles. Firstly, a triangle is a polygon. That's true, because polygon means any closed figure which has line segments and which has more than two sides, right? To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.